today I'm going to be showing you how to install and use the Philips 2200 series Latte Go. Whether you're a coffee expert or just getting started, this coffee machine is going to change your coffee making experience. So I've unboxed the coffee machine, now let's install it. First step is to take out the water tank and fill it to its maximum indication. There are going to be some tapes that you have to take off before you install the machine, because if you won't, the machine won't work. This Aqua Clean comes with the coffee machine and now you have to put it in the water tank. And now we have to shake it for 5 to 10 seconds. So that's how I fit it in, and now we have to fill it with water. Slide back the water tank into the coffee machine. Take the lid from the bean container. Today I'm going to be using Moliendo finest coffee beans. Back the bean lid. Press the Aqua Clean button for 3 seconds. And then turn clean. Don't forget to press the Aqua Clean button to activate it. When the Aqua Clean button turns blue, that means we can go to the next step, which is checking the water's hardness. This is the water hardness testing strip. You have to put the strip in the water for 1 second and then wait for 1 minute. So after waiting 1 minute, only one square turned red. That means it's only a little bit hard. Now we have to turn off the coffee machine and press the aroma button until all the lights go on. Now as we only had one red square, so we're going to press it only one time. And then press the on off button to switch on the machine. Now let's assemble the Latte Go. First of all, we have to take off the clip from the beaker. And then take off the sticker over here. And then place the frame until you hear a click. So if you want to brew 1 cup of espresso, you use this way. Pull the coffee spot down, press espresso, and click. want to brew 2 cups of espresso, you'll use this way. Place 2 cups, pull it down, press espresso 2 times, and play. Now I'm going to show you how to make cappuccino. Make sure you attach the latte cup and pull this down. Then press cappuccino. So here's my favorite cappuccino. Now let's make one more cappuccino for my little brother. Now I'm going to enjoy my cappuccino. You can also use a coffee machine to get hot water. But for that you have to put the cup over here because the hot water comes from here. So the discarded coffee comes over here.